Okay, it's day 3 of the 1 minute Google Plus Hangout video performance. Mark wasn't able to come today for meetings, but I wanted to just do this anyways. So here we go, 1 minute. I gotta set my timer. Hold on, I forgot to set my timer. Clock. Alright, here we go. 1 minute starting now. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Alright, that's it. Bye, guys.